Welcome to HDFocus. So today I'm in the factory. I will show you how our product is produced. I will show you the secret of the product. So let me show you for me. This will be the product, the inside. So you see here, this product will be composed the solution composed by 4 parts. So this will be the first part. This is the Android motherboard, and this motherboard is very important to control the signal and also the software. This will be the second and most important product. This is the power board. This board controls power. This is very important motherboard. And then for this part, this is for the logic board. This is for the control the signal. So the signal will go to the LCD screen, so controlled by this logic board. And then you see here, this will be the sub board. This will control the OPS signal. So let me show you. So I can insert one OPS inside here. And then the OPS signal will go to this from this HDMI cable all the way to this Android board. The Android board will control the OPS signal. So and then for others, rest this is the cable. So you see here, this is we call the power cable, and this is the LVDS cable. So you see here for our production, you can see all the cable is organized. It's very clean. So this is very important for the product quality. So this is the factory. So this is how we control the product quality, and also we offer very strict QC checking. So this will assure, HDFocus assure very good product quality. Okay, I wish you you can like my videos, and also later will show you more our product inside how it works. So wish you like it. Thank you for choosing HDFocus.